वेलकम चिल्ड्रन टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल इजी इंग्लिश विद स्वाति। इसके पहले के एक वीडियो में वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट द टेंसेस। यस, इफ यू रिमेंबर आई हैड गिवन यू द चार्ट ऑफ टेंसेस। बहुत ज़्यादा सिंपल फॉर्म में दिया हुआ वो चार्ट था, बट टिल नाउ आई डिड नॉट मेक एनी अदर वीडियो रिगार्डिंग टेंसेस। सो हियर इज द अनदर वीडियो विच विल शो यू द एक्सरसाइजेस। ठीक है, एक तुम्हें ये करना है कि you have to identify the tense and in another answer you have to convert it according to the instruction given in the bracket, right? So children, एक फटाफट revision हो जाए tenses। So tense is what? Tense is a form of verb which expresses time, belongingness and state of being. Okay, ये हो गई उसकी definition। अब क्या था वो चार्ट में? Let us revise it. Okay, so चार्ट में we have given four different forms of the tenses, right? Simple present tense, क्या था उसका रूल? he, she, it, s or es to the verb. he, she, it, s or es to the verb for simple present tense. So what is there for present continuous? For I, am plus ing, he, she, it, is plus ing and you, we, they, are plus ing, right? Then present perfect, I, you, we, they, have plus v3 and he, she, it, has plus v3. For present perfect continuous, I, you, we, they, have been plus ing, he, she, it, has been plus ing. At that time also I told you that we are taking I, you, we, they, he, she, it, these 7 pronouns. ठीक है, उनको rhythmically ही आपको learn करना है. I, you, we, they generally would be in one group and he, she, it would go in the another group. ठीक है. Now simple past tense V2 it is applied for all of the forms. Then past continuous, for I and he, she, it was plus ing and you, we, they were plus ing. Then past perfect all over had plus v3. Then past perfect continuous had been plus ing. Now let us move further for future, simple future tense. Will, only one rule for all, that is will. Then future continuous will be plus ing, future perfect will have plus v3 and future perfect continuous will have been plus ing. Now this is the revision of that previous table. Now let us see some of the examples here. The boy spoke the truth. The boy spoke. Now speak, spoke, spoken. See, whenever you are doing the tenses, you must understand, you must know the 3 forms of the verb. So speak का 3 forms क्या है? Speak is the base form, spoke is the second, that is V2 and V3 is spoken. यहाँ पे clear है, spoke is given, so V2. And what is the rule? V2 कहाँ पे आया है? Just remember, it is simple past tense. ठीक है, अपना चार्ट आप खोल के देखिए, वहां पे V2 कहाँ पे दिया है? सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. सो आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ दिस टेंस इज सिंपल पास्ट. द बॉय स्पोक द ट्रूथ, so it is simple past. Now you have to make it in the present continuous tense. Suppose एक एग्जांपल दिया है आपको, इसको प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस में कन्वर्ट करना है. व्हाट इज द रूल फॉर प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस फॉर बॉय? नाउ बॉय इज ही, तो ही के लिए क्या रूल था? ही के लिए था इज प्लस ing. इफ यू रिमेंबर, ही, शी, इट इज प्लस ing, राइट? सो वी अप्लाइड इट हियर. द बॉय इज स्पीकिंग द ट्रूथ. अभी ing कहाँ पे लगता है चिल्ड्रन? ing लगता है पर्टिकुलर वर्ब को. वर्ब का जो बेस फॉर्म है वहां पे लगेगा ing. सो द बॉय इज स्पीकिंग द ट्रूथ. दिस इज द फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. देन Mr. Kapoor had spoken about dinosaurs. Mr. Kapoor had spoken. Again, the third form of the base form, right? That is speak. Speak का third form है यहाँ पे spoken. Now had spoken. Had plus V3 कहाँ पे आया था? Past perfect, right? So the identification of this tense is past perfect. Now if suppose you have to make it in the present perfect continuous form, has been plus ing. Present perfect continuous has been plus ing and have been plus ing. 2 different rules were given. Now here Mr. Kapoor, again it is he, है ना? he है, इसलिए हम क्या करने वाले हैं? उसको has been plus ing लगाने वाले हैं. Mr. Kapoor has been speaking. ठीक है, यहाँ पे I just underline it, is and ing. Here has been plus ing. ठीक है. Now the boat sailed. The boat sailed. Again V2 form. बहुत क्लियर है, सिंपल पास्ट टेंस है. इफ यू वांट टू मेक इट इन द सिंपल फ्यूचर का रूल है will for each and everywhere. So the boat will sail. यहाँ पे will sailed तो होगा नहीं, बेस फॉर्म ही आएगा, राइट? So the boat will sail. माधवी went to school. Again went, go, went, gone. Went is the V2 form. So here simple past tense. If you want to make it in the future perfect tense, so Madhavi will have gone. Future perfect tense. Future perfect tense क्या था? Will have plus V3. फ्यूचर बोला है तो विल तो आना ही चाहिए, ठीक है. परफेक्ट मतलब हैव या हैज आना ही चाहिए. एंड देन will have gone means V3 must be there. So will have gone. Here I just underline this, will have and gone. Now next is the boy cries for hours. The boy cries for hours. Cries, es. See s और es to the verb कहाँ पे है? सिंपल प्रेजेंट में, ठीक है. The sorry not the boy, the baby. So baby is, it comes under which category? I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Okay, it के कैटेगरी में आती है the baby. So it is again simple present tense. You have to make it future perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense, that is will have been plus ing. Okay, so the baby will have been crying. Will have been crying for hours. Then Sham eats all the cookies. Eats, s. See, s is applicable here for simple present tense, right? So simple present tense you have to make it past perfect. Suppose then past perfect का रूल क्या है? V3 है ना? Had plus V3. Sham had eaten. Eat, ate, eaten. Third form eaten. Sham had eaten all the cookies. Then I had finished my assignment. Again had plus V3 कहाँ पे आता है? कहाँ पे आता है? That is past perfect, right? So here past perfect tense. It is past perfect tense. And here past perfect continuous tense. What is the past perfect continuous tense? I had been plus ing. Had been plus ing. ठीक है. Past perfect continuous tense all over one rule was there. Had been plus ing. Mr. Rajesh had taught for 5 years. Had taught. Had plus V3. Again had plus V3 means past perfect tense. Then future continuous will be plus ing. So Mr. Rajesh will be teaching. यहाँ पे ing किसको लगाने वाले हैं? बेस फॉर्म को. So what is the base form here? That is teach. ठीक है. So these are some of the very simple sentences I had given. See, if you want to click the photograph, you can. अब दिस इज वेरी सिंपल सेंटेंसेस चिल्ड्रन. ऐसे ही और कई वीडियोज आएंगे जो कि आपको सिंपल टू कॉम्प्लेक्स की तरफ लेके जाएंगे. ओके, सो दैट यू वुड अंडरस्टैंड द टेंसेस बेटर. सो कीप वॉचिंग and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.